Hi everyone, welcome back. I am Utpal Raj and in this video I will show you how to delete Grok memory. So over time, Grok may remember information from your previous conversation and with the time all the memories accumulate. But if you would like to remove the information and start fresh, then to delete memories, first open Grok app on your device. Now click on two horizontal line at top left corner of the screen and within this section click on settings icon at bottom. Now on the settings page, scroll down and under data and information, click on data controls option. Now from here, look for memory related option available in your account and then click on delete all conversation. Now again click on delete option when the confirmation appear and that's it. Apart from that, you can also turn off the toggle right to personalize with memories and Grok will no longer use all the previous information to generate responses. So if this video helped you in any way, make sure to like it, share it and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.